What up, everyone? It's Marco Martinez from Hero and Legend. Now, I know everyone's on their own journey. I know everyone's on a journey of this thing called life. Everyone's trying their best to figure it all out, get to where they want to be, get to where they need to be in some cases, because, sometimes things are just so, to be honest, so crazy in life that you're just like, I just need to get a breath. I need to get to this place where I need to be. And I understand that because I've been there. Sometimes I think I'm still there, but I think it's okay to give yourself some, I like to say, give yourself some slack, give yourself some credit for what you've accomplished so far. Maybe you're not to the end of the rainbow, to the pot of gold yet that you want to be at, but you're striving and working every day to get there. And it's okay to give yourself some credit and some slack because you've worked hard to get to where you want to be. And you're working hard to get to where you want to be. So give yourself some slack, give yourself some credit. Sorry that I'm messing up my words this morning, but haven't had my coffee yet. So give yourself some slack, give yourself some credit, and know that the race is long and it doesn't need to be like a destination time. You don't have to have a certain, oh man, I wanted to get there by whatever time frame you had in mind. Just know that you're getting there. Give yourself some slack, give yourself some credit. All right, have a great hump day. Bye-bye.